Good morning, good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, January 17th, 2018, and we're doing the morning business headline commentary. Alright, looking at the major headlines, we see Bitcoin sinking below 10,000. I don't have any positions on these kind of cryptocurrencies, but I do cheer for them. As I mentioned before, they're a good hedge against corruption, and I do believe there's a lot of corruption that's trying to attack on Bitcoin. But again, I don't have position on these guys. Goldman Sachs losing some of this luster, but they're still paying their employees well. Good luck with that. Infinity, we have an all-electric car competing with Tesla. Since they have more experience making quality cars, I would probably bet on these traditional car companies making electric cars. All right. All right. Bank of America shares fall after quarterly revenue missed expectations. Well, there you have it, folks. Like I mentioned before, the euphoria of these stock market will come to a slight reckoning when they, have first quarter announcements showing that it's not that rosy in the business after all. So they're talking about Apple, the chances of soaring above $200 a share. Good luck with that. These phones are more complicated than ever. You have to bring a bag of adapters, while other phones, the Androids, doesn't need to do any of that. Alright, that's ETF on the blockchains, and hopefully they do well, but I won't be holding any position in those. Geno Therapeutics shares rocket 50% on Celgene takeover. Alright, that's enough of that. So you see crude oil, a little bit of the false narrative, pushing the crude oil to $63. We'll see if they have a reckoning soon after the first quarter earnings release. Hang Seng still up a little bit, trying to rob the whole hand. See what happens with that. Dow Jones up 223 points, not bad. Alright, a little bit of the takeover today, a little bit of euphoria coming to the reckoning as The first quarter earnings coming about. Alright, so today's Wednesday, January 17, 2018. Something of note, I do have Indian followers and Chinese business followers. In my data video on Amazon, featuring Amazon, when it was $500 to $600 a share, Modi of India went for a big hug after I had the feature video of Amazon. Modi went for a big hug on Amazon. Something I also note, the company called Funimation that owns Dragon Ball became a takeover target after I featured Goku and Gohan of Dragon Ball in my cooking demo video, some of them listed below. I did mention the Ford, relating to Ford Motor Company having a reaction to my commentary that future car companies needs to have a version of hybrids and electric cars in the future in order to survive. And within 6 hours, Ford Motor Company announced that they will have bigger trucks and bigger cars with a version in electric cars and hybrids. Alright, that's three of some of the actionable commentaries I made. And today's Wednesday, January 17, 2018, and we're doing the morning business headline commentary.